Alright, so real live with our second break out of eBay 2663 SP Game Use 1780. That's a double box break. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Alright, so we start with Athletic Rookie out of 228. Pittsburgh Penguins cover, really? Next we got Athletic Rookie out of 113. Winnipeg Jets, Eric Comrie. We've got a jersey not numbered, Colorado Avalanche, Dyson Barrie. Authentic rookie autograph jersey for the Flyers, Travis Sanheim. Next, we got a banner here, Detroit Red Wings, Evgeny Zvetnikov. And our last is really nice, again, Detroit Red Wings, jersey autograph, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Nice hit for the Detroit Red Wings. Let's do box number 2. Ten pack. Alright. We start with a base out of 147 for the Panthers, Roberto Luongo. Next, we get a rookie jersey out of 399, Ottawa Senators, Philip Chlapik. We got an autograph for the St. Louis Blues, Braden Shen. Athletic rookie jersey out of 399 for the New Jersey Devils, Jasper Bratt. Oh yeah. Sentinels Classic Fabric Patch, 30 out of 35, Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. Actually, that's Mitch Marner. So Mitch Marner. And our last is a true rookie, 46 out of 55, Toronto Maple Leafs, Andreas Borgman. So that was our double box break of SPX. I'll be back in 4 minutes with our double box break of SPX. Thanks.